What's up, Abex? Welcome back to the channel. So I think I've heard just about the dumbest threat that I've ever heard in my life today. So I had to share it with you guys, and that's what you're about to watch right now. Anyhow, I know you've heard of Jacob Frankel, especially if you're subbed to my channel, because I've previously posted some news clips from CNBC where he talked to Melissa Lee. Well, here's another one that just came out today, just a couple hours ago. And the implications of what he's saying today are literally ridiculous. Literally the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. Basically a scare tactic, and it's a fail. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I thought this was just insanely ridiculous. And we're going to get right to it. Before we do, though, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you can get access to videos just like this one every day.
All hour long, we've been surrounding the AMC trade, so let's talk regulation now. Is there a regulatory crackdown coming? Let's bring in Jacob Frankel, former SEC enforcement lawyer. He is now a partner at Dickinson Wright. Jacob, great to see you again.
Thank you. Good to see you.
What do you think, or who do you think, what group do you think is number one on the list for the SEC to investigate when it comes to this whole trade?
The answer to your question about investigate is really the key. Investigation would be those who were involved in the momentum trading. That would be whether it be institutions, whether it be individuals, whether it be those who were trading off the Reddit board, whether it was those who were messaging on the board and trading. What the SEC will look at is everyone who traded in these meme stocks, those that were trading in disproportionate percentages to what their fundamentals demanded. And you go back to what you were talking about with respect to options, the word fundamentals kept coming up time and time again in your last segment. And the fact is, what we're really talking about is what is the SEC going to do from an investigative perspective with respect to all these securities that were running well beyond what the fundamentals demanded.
Isn't that a judgment then by the SEC that fundamentals either warrant or don't warrant an investigation? That's not really the role of the SEC to say, hey, this stock isn't worth this, and so we're going to investigate the trading surrounding it.
Well,
the market judges what it's worth.
It's a great question, because I'm really not talking about using fundamentals as the metric for the investigation, because there's nothing that should prevent a stock from being able to run 20% or 30% on its own. The real issue was there any fraudulent activity involved in the trading? Was there manipulative activity? Were, for example, individuals, encouraging buying, saying, hey, I'm in the stock, let's get on this for whatever reason, when they in fact are selling the stock. So I think those are the dynamics that the SEC is going to look at from an investigative perspective. Mm-hmm. When you framed the question originally, you were talking about regulation. I don't think you can regulate here, because you really can't create multiple tiers of regulation or apply different metrics to these securities. So,
all right, we're up against the top of the hour, Jacob. It's always good to hear from you, though. Jacob Frankel, sounds like everybody may have a target on their back at this point.
While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools, and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe, because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.